Here are some post-it notes, or you can call them sticky notes, because you peel them off and they stick. Now, you may already know this. You may be thinking, Gabriel, my teacher has told me for years to write words on sticky notes and put them on things. And yes, that is maybe true, but not quite in the same way that I'm going to teach you now. So I have 3 different colors of sticky notes. I've got blue, yellow, and pink. Now it doesn't matter what colors they are, but try to get 3 different colors of post-it notes. And what you want to do is you want to have each color stand for a different kind of word. So in this case, I'm using blue for nouns. So the blue post-it notes are nouns. The yellow post-it notes are verbs. And the pink post-it notes are for adjectives. So, for example, let's take a broom. Now, most people in your house, you probably have a broom. Now, the point is to fill your home with these post-it notes so that you are learning English in your house every day, because everywhere you look, you have more English words. So with this one, a broom, what will you write on the blue post-it note? That one's easy, right? You will write the word broom. So here we go. And stick it on the broom. It doesn't have to be on the handle. In fact, if you want, you can have a separate post-it note just for the handle, right? And put handle up there as well. But now we have the one for the noun. But here's where it gets interesting. And here is where my method is different. With the yellow post-it notes, we're going to write a verb. So what do you do with a broom? You sweep. You sweep. Sweep the floor. So I'm going to write on the yellow post-it note, sweep the floor. There you go. And I'm going to put it right next to the blue one, so you can still see it. Now, we still have an adjective. Now, we're trying to learn new English words, right? So I'm assuming in this example that these words are new for you. Broom is new. Sweep the floor is a new verb for you. Just as an example. Now, what could be a good adjective? Now, not long, because you probably know the word long. So what else? Useful. A broom is useful. So I'm going to write the word useful. So if you didn't know these words, now every time you see your broom in your house, you will also see these post-it notes, and you will remember without really even trying, you will be studying English vocabulary. You will be studying nouns, verbs, and adjectives at the same time.